Good morning, beauties. Today, we're going to do a little makeup. I'm going to show you some marshmallow sandals. I'm going to show you some skincare and lots of goodies. Also, I want you to know that Natalie, the beauty diva, is uploading today also at the same time that I am. So I will put her link down to her video and you can go over there and say hi. So let's begin.
Okay, I'm dressed in my white spa robe. I've got my new orange brushes, and I'm going to put on that eyeshadow. See that eyeshadow? That's from L'Oreal. It's a stay all day long eyeshadow, and I found it on Emily Noel's video on her channel, so I'm going to put a link to her video. That's the Jaclyn Hill that I always use, the Morphe palette. And I'm just putting the rust color under my eyes and a tiny bit on top. So there I am using the new orange brushes. Ooh, I think they're so pretty. They're so pretty and cheerful. And that one really works good for foundation. Actually, I'm putting on Wet n Wild Dewy. That's the foundation I'm doing today. I just love that foundation. It doesn't make you look old. There's something about that foundation that just goes on. It's comfortable. It looks good. It doesn't look like you have a mask on your face of makeup. It just really has a wonderful finish. The Dewy, not the other one, not the regular one. I don't like the regular one. That was Max Factor Miracle foundation I used on my under eyes. And I forgot to use the orange brush, so I'm back to the green one. Just a little contour because the foundation takes away all your shadows, and then it looks flat, everything. So you have to put in contour and blush and bronzer to give your face some depth. The brushes are really good. I really, really like them. They're not cheaply made, and they're one piece. It's not a ferrule and then a handle. It's one whole piece. That might be better when you clean it. So I'm just putting on my Lancome Harmony blush bronzer. And I'm putting on LA Colors Caramel Cream and Going Steady. So beautiful. I love these two colors. It gives you a nude, neutral type of look. And I'm using the NYX Micro Brow Pencil on my brows. Oh, look at this. This is from Fenty. It's their lip gloss. It's called Lemon Lava. Oh, it's so juicy.
So good.
Shiny, juicy, and it's beautiful. I love it. I love it. I'm trying to find a dupe for the L'Oreal Infallible. Ooh, pizza in the oven. This is an oldie but a goodie, but I love this product so much. It's by Maybelline. It is a brow precision highlighting stick, and it's in a rectangle shape. Squarish rectangle. I think a rectangle. So you see how it could just give you that cat wing? And right under the eyebrows, so easy. And being that it highlights so beautifully, no shimmer or anything, it's kind of like a light concealer. I'm putting some on the marionette and the smile lines, and look at the difference. Yes. Fabulous. Where'd they go? They're gone.
So I'm going to take the brow highlighter with the foundation brush, and I'm just going to wipe it away a little. This is a good brush. It's not streaky. Put on my foundation, perfect. Highlight my eyebrows. Oh, I don't know what we're gonna do about the neck.
Now I'm going to put on a top coat of this lipstick from Sephora.
Fenty. I want to show you lipstick I got from Fenty. And I went to Sephora. I picked up a few things. And this is the Fenty Icon, the case. Here is the case, the unbelievable case. Ooh. So this is what you do. You turn this top and the bottom pops. And there, that's it. It's called Pose Queen. And it's so pretty. It's like a pinky, peachy, nudie. I'll just add it. So beautiful. Really beautiful. I got this from Sephora. It's a Sephora line of lipsticks, but it's Lip Stories. This is room service. Okay. I'll show you swatches of LA Colors in Going Steady and Caramel Cream. That's what I used in the video. Now, you see? What does this look like? A dupe for this? Kind of. Kind of. LA Colors and Fenty. This is Caramel Cream, and this is the Fenty, what's the name? Pose Queen. Now look how close it is to Caramel Cream, and that's Pose Queen. This is room service. When I was in Nordstrom in my other video, I saw these sandals, and I texted the video to my granddaughter, and I'll tell you why after the video. Roll the tape. Look at these, Daniella. $158 in Nordstrom. Woohoo! Look what I have over here. My granddaughter bought these for me. She's so sweet. Size 7. And they fit, I'm a 7.5, and they fit me great. So I would go down a half. But look at this. How pretty? Pretty, pretty. So let me roll a tape, another tape, and show you. Goodness. Look what Daniella got me. Oh, perfect, Daniella. Perfect. Oh, I love them. Ooh, it's like a cloud. Wow. $15. VITABRID sent me complimentary 2 of their products. And this is a wrinkle serum. It's powered by the secret code P151 to help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles for firmer looking revitalized skin. That's one. And it came in this box. And it is just a white creamy serum. It's a wrinkle serum. Now, the other item they sent me is a brightening vitamin C. Not just a regular vitamin C, a 12-hour vitamin C. I'm so thrilled to use this. Now, what they say is it's powder, but you have to shake it so the metal ball will just stir up the powder. That's it. Then you take your powder, vitamin C, and you sprinkle it on any moisturizer or skincare, and you rub and it dissolves. And you know, I am putting this stuff on my hands because I want to avoid age spots, but I'm getting some on my forearm. I have a few spots here. We can connect the dots. See? Perfect. And the powder's not going to go bad. It's not in a liquid. It's not in a watery, water-based liquid. It's just powder. And you just add it to moisturizer or serum that you have that you'd like to put on your face. Yeah, that's all you do is you put it in your hand, up there or here, and then you pour some moisturizer, mix it, and you pat it in the face like that. Pat it in. Pat it, pat, pat, pat. Very cute. Very, very cute. And this wrinkle serum is beautiful. It's dissolved into my skin already. It's powered by secret code, the same thing, powered by secret code, P151. Very high tech. Vitamin C is one of the most important products that you can put on your skin. Thank you so much, VITABRID. I appreciate you sending me these complimentary, and I am going to put them to good use. Saturday Skin sent this to me complimentary, and I am over the moon because glycolic has been a holy grail for me since I was 40. Okay, so this is the Pore Clarifying Toner by Saturday Skin, and this is the 4% Clarifying Serum. So, like I said, I always have used glycolic, and now I've been introduced to Saturday Skin just a couple of years ago, and I just absolutely love their products. Okay, so what you do is you shake it out on a cotton ball, take it, and then you just rub it around. You could put it on your legs and the back of your hand. It will exfoliate your skin without bothering you. But you put this on clean skin, and then the serum, which all their products have CHA7. It's an exclusive peptide formula that promotes the look of skin's natural glow and renewal. I love it. There it is, gorgeous packaging, and then it comes in a dropper. Look at that. Ooh. We can't waste it. The serum, with 4% glycolic, is supercharged and lightweight. It works to visibly refine skin with 4% glycolic acid and the Pore Care Complex, combined with niacinamide. Ooh, now that is amazing for you. And other potent ingredients. This serum is a complete and targeted approach to improve and balance the appearance of skin tone and texture. Now, the toner helps to smooth, refine your skin's appearance with an effective dose of 10% glycolic acid. The Pore Control Complex targets pore concerns with a blend of ingredients that help improve the look of balanced, clear skin. So it's got witch hazel, tea tree oil, red clover, and 10% glycolic acid inside the toner. Pretty good ingredients. Thank you, Saturday Skin. I absolutely love your products. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so glad you came by today. And if you're new, welcome to my channel. I hope you have a wonderful day, a wonderful week. And remember, I love you. And I'll see you in my next video. It's lunchtime here.